My name is Julie Ryan. I work as an advanced nurse practitioner in Lewisham. For the first signs of any coughs and colds, I would suggest you go to the pharmacy, the chemist first, and see if you can purchase any medication over the counter. If that medication is not helping, I'm saying to you, come in and see the nurse. A practice nurse or an advanced nurse practitioner at the surgery will be able to help you with your ailment, especially if you've got a chest infection, specifically if you've got asthma, COPD, or you've just got the general cold and flu. Please come in and see your practice nurse who will be able to diagnose and treat you there on the same day.